Nebeus Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Nebeus are in the description. Nebeus is a crypto lending and financial services platform that also offers a staking program designed for users looking to earn passive income on their digital assets. It is built for both beginner and experienced crypto holders who want to stake their coins securely while benefiting from additional financial tools such as crypto-backed loans and insurance. With Nebeus staking, users can earn rewards on popular cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, BTC, Polkadot, DOT, and stablecoins like USDT. The platform provides fixed-term staking, meaning users lock their assets for a predetermined period to earn higher yields compared to flexible staking. The APYs vary depending on the asset and staking duration, with competitive rates compared to traditional exchanges. A major advantage of Nebeus is its seamless integration with other financial services. Users can stake their assets while keeping access to crypto-backed loans, allowing them to earn rewards without losing liquidity. Additionally, Nebeus offers insurance protection for stored assets, ensuring an extra layer of security. The staking process is simple, requiring no technical knowledge. Users select the crypto they want to stake, choose the duration, and start earning. Rewards are automatically credited at the end of the staking period. Nebeus also offers an easy-to-use mobile app, allowing users to manage their staking and finances on the go. Security is a key focus, with funds stored in regulated custody and multi-layer protection. Unlike some decentralized staking options, Nebeus provides a regulated, transparent environment, making it a trustworthy choice for risk-averse investors. Overall, Nebeus staking is ideal for users who want to earn passive income in a secure, structured environment with additional financial tools. If you're looking for a staking platform that combines rewards, lending, and security, Nebeus is worth considering. Check the links in the description to start staking with Nebeus today.